All right, this is the Nature's Generator Elite Power Pod. Here is the Nature's Generator Elite station here at the bottom. Let's get some focus. Boom. There's the display. Here's our icon to let us know that it is daisy chained to the power pod, which is directly on top. And look at here. What's plugged in here? What's plugged in here? Boom. This is our BougeRV refrigerator freezer. We've been running it. As you can see, it's definitely been using power, so we'll need to recharge this soon. But even here, because it's daisy chained, it keeps up with the power here as well. So we do have the AC input, which will end up plugging up so that we can get this charged back up. But from there, this is actually for my son. So we are a family of nature generator users. I was able to get my niece and her family to get involved with Nature's Generator as well, and they have the exact same system. This is going to be 4,800 watts of solar power. Gensho for Nature's Generator, well, with Nature's Generator, I should say, and Solar Family Travels.